How to set up a welcome email in MailChimp. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a welcome email in MailChimp. So let's get started. First of all, log into your MailChimp account and here at the left side, you'll be able to see an option that says automations. So just click on automations and then you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So you're going to click on overview. So you're going to scroll down and here you'll be able to see try these recommended pre-journeys. So you're going to click on welcome new contacts. And now you can see that this is basically a kind of, a pre-built journey. And this is a nurture relationship. So you can just click on use this journey. Now it says everything is set up for this journey. So just click on continue. And once you click on continue, you'll be able to see an interface like this. So it says that contact signs up to this. Now what will happen is that create a welcome email. So whenever a contact signs up, a welcome email would be generated, and then you can also add some other kind of things like other tags. Now I'm drag and dropping this tag, and what this tag will do is that whenever a person signs up, they will set them a welcome tag. So I'm just going to create a new welcome tag which will be set on the specific person. Now after the tag has been set on that person, the next step I gotta add is that kind of time delay, or you can send email, that when this tag is added, I want them to have an email of welcome. So here you're going to click on select a template and then you're going to select a welcome template. So over here, once you click on that, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So you can just select any layout or template. So I've selected this one and click on customize builder, and here you can see that this is kind of welcome. It's not really a welcome page, but you need to spend a good time in order to create this welcome page. So I'm just going to write down welcome at the top and click on save and return to journey. So you need to take specific time out and give your proper time in order to create this welcome template. And once done, I'm going to add a rule type of thingy, that is if else. Now the type of rule that you can set is that if the person clicked on this email, they will be given this type of thingy, or they're going to be sent this kind of email after 7 days. Or if the specific person has not clicked on the email, that comes under the else condition, then they will be resent the same welcome email after 7 days. You can set things like this. So that was how you can set up welcome email on MailChimp. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.